Today is the big day. Lily's 6th birthday. Okay, James, do not mess this up. You can do this.
Good morning, James. Are you already up? That is early.
Of course. Today is Lily's birthday, Sarah. Big day.
Yes, I know. I am going to bake her birthday cake.
The chocolate one? The one from your mom's recipe?
Yes, that one. It is her favorite cake in the world.
Here you go.
Thank you.
She is going to be so happy. I cannot wait to see her face.
Did you call Grandma and Grandpa last night? Are they coming?
Yes, they said they will be here at 3 o'clock. Perfect timing. Good.
And Lily's friends? Did their parents confirm?
Yes, 5 little girls are coming. Emma, Sophie, Olivia, Mia, and Grace.
Oh, Lily is gonna love that. She has been talking about this party for weeks.
Weeks? More like months. Every single day she asks me.
Quiet laughter. Shh. We should start the decorations before she wakes up.
Great idea. I will blow up the balloons. I am very good at that.
You say that every year, and you always get dizzy.
I have grown. I am better now.
Good morning, everyone! Look what I found! It is today. Today is Lily's birthday. This is the best day ever.
Good morning, Liam.
Yes, today is Lily's birthday. Can I wake her up? Please, Dad. Can I go wake her up right now?
Not yet, sweetheart. Let her sleep a little longer. It is still early.
But Mom, she needs to know it is her birthday. What if she forgets?
Nobody forgets their own birthday, Liam.
Idę rozwalać to kontradikcję Garbray. Yumun ko tak sna.
Land of Max Note Sembi Drive Alrighty Stum and Sending. It was a very hard practice. Coach Miller was tough that day. Good morning. What is everyone doing in the kitchen? Lily, it is your birthday. Happy birthday, Lily. It is? Today is my birthday? Really?
Yes, my sweet girl. Today is your birthday. You are 6 years old now.
6. I am 6. That is so big.
Happy birthday, my beautiful Lily. Mommy loves you so much.
I love you so much, sweetie. I love you too, Mommy. Is there gonna be cake?
We'll see about that.
The very first thing she thinks about is the cake.
That is because she is smart. Cake is the most important part.
She gets that from me.
She definitely does not get that from me.
You are so funny, Lily. That's what I said.
She got it right.
And you both are amazing.
Perfect. Mommy, is the cake gonna be big? Very big, my love. As big as your smile. My smile is very big, Mommy, so the cake will be huge.
Almost there. Whoa. Oh. Oh. Oh no.
Oh no! What happened here? Sarah? Are you okay? What happened in here?
The cake fell. James, the cake fell.
Oh. Oh, wow.
The cake fell on the floor?
Yes, sweetheart.
Mommy dropped it. I am so sorry.
It is okay, Mommy. Do not be sad.
Oh my God! What is this?
The CAK! Mom! The cake is on the F floor!
Yes, Liam. We can see that.
Okay, no problem. We can go buy a cake from a bakery. Simple fix.
Yes, good idea. A bakery nearby.
Sa ciao! Medium you about sorry to now. Di chonya sai come chonya na nyam.
Hello, yes. I need 1 chocolate birthday cake, please. Today. They are closed today. Mr. Henderson is visiting his daughter in Boston. CLO's D? On Lily's birthday? This is the worst day ever!
Okay, no bakery. We can figure this out. There are other bakeries.
Hello? Is this? No? Okay.
Ugh, they're all booked.
What, another closed?
No, they hung up. They all need 2 days' notice for a full birthday cake. It is okay, Lily. We do not really need cake, right?
Right, it is okay. I am still happy.
We are going to fix this, sweetheart. I promise you. Daddy promises. Hi, Mom. Great news had. Are you leaving soon? We are so excited. I understand. Yes, okay. Take care of yourself, Mom. We love you.
James? What happened?
Grandma and Grandpa cannot come today. Grandpa has a cold.
Grandma and Grandpa are not coming?
Not today, my love. But Grandpa is gonna be okay.
Okay. That is okay. I hope Grandpa feels better.
It is raining. It is really raining. On Lily's birthday.
Oh, is it gonna rain all day?
Okay, James. Stay positive. You can do this. Think.
We still have 3 hours. We can move everything inside.
You are right. The living room is big enough.
We have chocolate, butter, eggs, and I found more flour, hidden in the back, Sarah.
You are a genius. You are literally a genius.
I am just a mother who keeps extra flour. It is not genius.
No. It is genius. Complete genius.
I got them. They're wet.
Quick, let's put them on before they melt.
Almost done. This looks great.
Dad, let me help. What can I do? Tell me something.
Perfect timing, Liam. Take these balloons. Tie them to the chairs.
Yes, I am the balloon expert. I have done this before.
You have done this exactly 0 times before, Liam. But I have thought about it many times. That basically counts. You know what? Sure, that counts. Go ahead.
Hey, Lily. Are you okay?
Liam, do you think my friends will still come?
Of course they will. Rain is just water. It cannot stop a birthday party. But what if they all cancel? What if nobody comes?
Then it is just us.
And we are really, really fun. You are a little bit funny sometimes, Liam. Only a little bit?
I am extremely funny. Almost professionally funny.
What is professionally funny?
It means you are funny enough to get paid. Like a clown. It is going to be okay, Lily. I promise.
This is still your birthday.
Oh no.
James, what is it now? Sarah?
It's about the house.
What? No, Sarah. Emma's mom says they cannot come. The roads near their house are flooding.
Okay. What about the others?
Sophie is sick. Olivia has a family emergency. Mia's little brother has chickenpox, so...
1 friend. Out of 5.
Grace is still confirmed. Grace says she will be here. Rain or no rain.
We have to do this. For the kids.
I'm with you, we can do it.
Good.
Look what I found. Oh, the lights. And the games. Oh, yes, glitter. And the old ribbons.
Dad, what are you doing? doing? You are making a really big mess.
I am not making a mess, Liam. I am making a birthday party.
It looks like a mess.
All great parties start as a mess.
Is that the karaoke microphone? Dad, yes. This is gonna be amazing. What is all of this?
This, my birthday girl, is your new party.
A party with Christmas lights?
The best parties have Christmas lights. Trust me, I am a dad.
Dads know everything. Mommy says dads think they know everything.
Mommy is right. But do not tell her I said that.
Happy birthday! Oh, you're soaked. Come in, sweetie. Wow, a present. Happy birthday, Lily. I told my mom nothing was gonna stop me. Nothing. Grace, you came. You actually came. Of course I came. You are my best friend. Best friends come in the rain. Welcome to the greatest birthday party ever planned in 2 hours.
Here's your hot chocolate, Grace. Thank you, Sarah. It looks wonderful. Careful, Liam. Wow, it's really coming down out there.
I believe I can fly.
Wow!
You all right, buddy?
Yeah.
Again. To the left, to the left.
Happy birthday, dear Lily.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Lily.
Happy birthday to you.
I never thought it would be like this. Thank you. Oh, my love, what is the matter? Why are you crying?
I do not know. I am not sad. I do not think I am sad.
What are you feeling right now, sweetheart?
I feel full. I feel very full inside.
That feeling, Lily Bora, that feeling is called happiness.
Real happiness. It feels different from regular happy.
Yes, because this is not regular happiness. This is the deep kind.
What makes it the deep kind?
Because everyone here chose to be here. They all came because they love you.
Even Liam?
EVEN Liam? Of course, even Liam. I am your brother. I am always here.
Thank you, Liam.
You are welcome, Lily.
I thought today was going to be a bad birthday.
What do you think now?
I think today might be the best birthday. Because all of you were here the whole time. Oh, sweetheart. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, I am going to blow out the candles now. I have a wish.
Do not say your wish out loud. If you say it, it will not come true.
What is the wish? You can tell me. I am good at keeping secrets.
Liam, I mean well. I will try to keep it secret. I make no promise it.
I make no promises. Yeah, all right. Yay! Cheers! Yes! Woo! We did it! Congratulations, guys.
Mommy, I was scared this morning when everything went wrong.
I know you were, sweetheart. Mommy was a little scared too.
You were scared? But you are a grown-up.
Grown-ups get scared too. Being brave does not mean you are not scared.
What does being brave mean then?
Being brave means you keep going, even when you are scared. Even when things go wrong, like today. Even when the cake fell and the rain came.
Exactly like today. Your family kept going. And so did you.
And Grace. Grace kept going too. She came in the rain. Yes. A real friend comes to you, even in the rain. I want to be like Grace for my friends too.
You already are, Lily. You are exactly that kind of friend. Because I have watched you your whole life, 6 whole years. I know exactly who you are.
Thank you for the Christmas lights. They made everything feel magical.
You are very welcome. I have very good ideas sometimes.
Sometimes. Daddy,
Yes, absolutely yes. Every year if you want. Have you ever had a day when everything went wrong? And then something small and beautiful happened and made everything okay?
Tell us in the comments, what was your worst day that turned into something wonderful? Because your story matters too, just like Lily's.